This short video explains how JAS is quick and easy to set up. JAS is Jacques' announcement scheduling software that runs on a Jacques controller. The web browser interface is utilised by many to schedule announcements and bells for public address. The software runs like an Outlook calendar and once set up, happens in the background. JAS is set up in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Upload audio files. Navigate to the audio manager and upload any audio file. This can be a bell, a tone, a chime, or any song or audio created announcement. Step 2. Create your announcements. Announcements in the system consist of often a chime, a gap, the audio file, followed by a gap, and then the ending chime. This audio file may be a bell, tone, or an announcement file. This is totally configurable. You can use any or none of those elements to create your audio file. Once saved, proceed to Step 3. Step 3. Add a new schedule. Each schedule requires a name and a colour, so it is easily identified when adding it to the calendar at the end. Step 4. Build a schedule. Build your new schedule by assigning an announcement to the schedule. Here you may select zones and a start time. You can also add an interval bell depending on your schedule or requirements. Schedules can be built for several times throughout a period, depending on the size of your application. Each schedule can be tailored to suit your requirements. Step 5. Assign a schedule. Once your schedules are built, you have to apply them to the calendar so the software can trigger them on the correct day and time. Double-click on a date within the calendar or click on the plus button to apply the schedule. You have the option to apply the schedule to a day or a range of dates for added flexibility. For example, if you would like a particular schedule to repeat on a particular day of the week, you can customize this in the day range. You can also remove schedules for public holidays. Step 6. Commit your changes to the controller. For JAS to be completely operational, it is simply set and forget. Q buttons. JAS V8 features quick buttons or Q buttons that are readily accessible to the user. Q buttons can be accessed via the star icon at the top of every web browser page or on your mobile phone. Create your Q buttons by going to the Q buttons page. Start by giving the Q button a name. Customize the appearance by adding an icon. This can also be left blank. Select the announcement you would like to play, followed by the zone, and click Save. It's that quick. Customize the style of your Q button so that it can be easily identified. To do this, select Edit Style. You can edit its size, colour, and position. Rearrange your Q buttons as per your requirements. You may like to put the more important ones at the top. To activate a Q button, simply click on the required button. To turn off the alarm, click End. Shuffle. Creating more than one announcement unlocks the shuffle feature in JAS. As the name suggests, this feature allows users to shuffle announcements created in the systems. Schools may like to use this feature in the morning as welcome music while students arrive at school. Let's create a shuffle announcement. Navigate to the audio page in the menu. Here you will see Shuffle Announcement tab. This tab will only appear when more than one announcement is created in the audio manager. Click on Add Shuffle. You will need to give your shuffle announcement a name. Think of this as a playlist name. I like morning motivation, so I'm going to use this. Select multiple announcements via the available list and click Create. Let's create a schedule with a shuffle announcement. To do this, go to the Schedules page. Like any other schedule in JAS, we need to give this schedule a name and a colour. Click on Add Announcement. Select your Shuffle announcement from the drop-down list. Shuffle announcements are listed separately at the bottom of the list. Once you have selected your PA zone and start time, click Save. Add your schedule to the calendar. Double-click on a date within the calendar and select your schedule. You can add your schedule to a single day or a range of days to suit your school needs. Click Save and commit your changes. We hope you found this video informative. Thank you for watching.